A robot can walk, run, and maintain its balance. But impressive as those abilities are, they still aren't enough to make a humanoid robot truly useful. The feature that ultimately determines whether a robot can replace humans in everyday work is something much smaller: its hands. Recently, 3's captured the attention of the robotics community by unveiling its new robotic hand with 25 degrees of freedom, capable of performing highly delicate tasks such as plugging in a USB-C cable, pulling a zipper, holding a glass, and pouring water. However, immediately after that demonstration, Tesla delivered a confident message. Optimus's hand will not simply match those capabilities. It is being engineered to surpass what the world has just witnessed. That confidence is backed by more than Elon Musk's bold statements. It is reflected in Tesla's actions. The company recently released a new video on X showing the dismantling of the original Model S and Model X production line at its Fremont factory. Remarkably, the entire shutdown was completed in just 46 days. So, what gives Tesla the confidence to claim that Optimus's hand can outperform everything 3's has just demonstrated and become one of the most advanced robotic hands ever built? The biggest upgrade lies in something that is almost invisible from the outside: the actuation system. Like 3's, Tesla is moving away from traditional robotic hands that rely on extremely high gear reduction ratios, often between 100:1 and nearly 300:1. Those large gearboxes certainly increase torque, but they also create friction, backlash, slower response times, and stiff, unnatural movement. Instead, Tesla is developing a quasi-direct drive architecture that combines custom-built high-torque electric motors with gear reduction ratios as low as roughly 8:1 across most finger joints. This dramatically improves back drivability, meaning external forces are transmitted directly back to the motors instead of being absorbed by heavy gears. If a finger contacts an object or encounters unexpected resistance, the motors immediately detect the change through electrical current and adjust grip force almost instantaneously. The result is movement that feels smoother, faster, safer, and significantly more human-like. Mechanical dexterity is another area where Optimus is expected to compete at the highest level. While 3's latest hand offers 25 degrees of freedom, Tesla's newest Optimus hand is designed with approximately 22 actively controlled degrees of freedom in the hand itself, along with 3 additional degrees of freedom in the wrist, creating a total of 25 actively actuated joints for each arm. More importantly, Tesla's philosophy focuses on actively controlling every major joint rather than relying on passive spring-assisted mechanisms. This allows Optimus to coordinate finger position, grip force, wrist orientation, and motion trajectory simultaneously. Instead of simply grasping an object, the robot can rotate components within its fingers, reposition tools while working, insert electrical connectors from different angles, tighten screws, manipulate wiring harnesses, and perform precision assembly operations that traditionally require skilled human workers. Tesla has also redesigned the entire mechanical structure using a tendon-driven architecture inspired by human anatomy. Rather than placing electric motors inside each finger, all actuators are relocated into the forearm, where they pull approximately 44 high-strength tendons that control finger movement. This approach significantly reduces the weight of the hand itself, lowering inertia and allowing much faster acceleration and more accurate stopping. When Optimus rapidly changes direction or performs delicate manipulation, the fingertips remain stable without excessive vibration or overshoot. The lighter structure also reduces energy consumption because the motors no longer need to repeatedly accelerate heavy finger-mounted actuators throughout thousands of daily work cycles. Combined with an advanced wrist cable transition system that keeps tendons separated and minimizes friction, stretching, and wear, the design is engineered for long-term industrial reliability. Just as important is the robot's sense of touch. Similar to the latest generation of advanced humanoid hands, Optimus uses soft polymer fingertips embedded with high-resolution tactile sensors capable of measuring both pressure and shear force. Pressure sensing tells the robot how firmly it is gripping an object, while shear force sensing detects microscopic slipping before the object actually falls. If Optimus is holding a fragile glass or inserting a delicate connector, the control system can automatically increase grip force by just the right amount to prevent slipping without crushing the object. Humans perform this adjustment unconsciously thousands of times every day, and giving a robot the same capability represents one of the biggest milestones toward truly human-level manipulation. Durability is another area where Tesla is targeting commercial-scale performance rather than laboratory demonstrations. According to Tesla, the wrist joints and tendon mechanisms are designed to survive more than 2 million loaded operating cycles while maintaining consistent accuracy. The entire hand is also engineered to achieve IP68 protection, allowing it to withstand dust, water, industrial oils, cleaning chemicals, and demanding manufacturing environments. These specifications are essential for robots expected to work continuously on production lines instead of operating only during carefully controlled demonstrations. Perhaps Tesla's greatest advantage, however, extends beyond the hardware itself. Every Optimus deployed inside Tesla factories becomes part of a massive AI training network. As robots perform repetitive manufacturing operations, they continuously collect visual, tactile, and motion data that improve Tesla's neural networks. Each new skill learned by one robot can eventually be transferred across the entire fleet, allowing every Optimus to become more capable over time. This data-driven learning approach is difficult for competitors to replicate because few companies operate both advanced humanoid robots and large-scale manufacturing facilities under the same organization. Ultimately, while 1X has demonstrated one of the most impressive robotic hands developed so far, Tesla's vision reaches far beyond matching those capabilities. Optimus is being engineered not only to manipulate objects with human-like dexterity, but also to deliver the durability, intelligence, and scalability required for mass deployment. Tesla expects the robot to perform more than 1,000 practical tasks, including assembling vehicles, sorting inventory, connecting electrical components, handling tools, loading materials, operating factory equipment, and eventually carrying out everyday household chores. If Tesla succeeds, Optimus will not simply become another humanoid robot with an advanced hand, it could become the first commercially scalable humanoid workforce capable of transforming manufacturing and everyday life on an unprecedented scale. What is Tesla trading off to focus all its resources on the Generation 3 Optimus robot? Elon Musk has made one of the boldest manufacturing decisions in Tesla's history by voluntarily shutting down the Model S and Model X production lines at the Fremont factory. The move has nothing to do with weak sales, recalls, or technical issues. Instead, Tesla is clearing valuable factory space for what Elon Musk believes will become the company's most important product yet, the Gen 3 humanoid robot. Many analysts have described this as a trillion-dollar gamble, sacrificing reliable automotive revenue today to pursue what could become the world's largest robotics business tomorrow. At the same time, the decision reflects Tesla's urgency to compete with Chinese companies that are rapidly introducing humanoid robots priced below $20,000. For anyone wondering who will care for an aging parent or help address the global caregiver shortage, Tesla believes Optimus could eventually become part of that solution. Building such a robot, however, presents a manufacturing challenge unlike anything the company has faced before. Reports suggest that each Gen 3 contains roughly 10,000 unique components, with many parts custom designed for specific joints, actuators, and mechanisms throughout the body. Unlike an automobile where many parts are standardized across multiple models, nearly every major robotic component serves a unique purpose and must operate in perfect synchronization. If Tesla ultimately reaches Elon Musk's long-term goal of producing 1 million robots annually, the company would need to manufacture and assemble nearly 10 billion individual components every year. That level of precision manufacturing has never been attempted at this scale. Fortunately, Tesla is not starting from zero. More than 1,000 early Optimus units have already been deployed inside Tesla facilities, quietly collecting real-world operational data while helping train the AI systems that future robots will rely on. The hardware itself also represents a major technological leap. Gen 3 is expected to use a 3 kilowatt-hour battery pack built from Tesla's own 4680 battery cells, providing approximately 5 to 6 hours of operation during light daily activities. While that may be sufficient for many industrial applications, it also highlights one of the challenges facing home robotics. A robot assisting elderly users or supervising children cannot simply stop working because its battery is running low. Reliability becomes just as important as capability. One of the most advanced features is the robot's new hand. Optimus reportedly uses 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform delicate tasks that previously required human dexterity. Combined with dense tactile sensors and a sealed, water-resistant design, the hand can carefully grasp fragile objects, pick up an egg without breaking it, or gently touch a person's hair. Tesla has also adopted a minimalist mechanical design philosophy inspired by SpaceX engineering. Much like the Raptor 3 rocket engine, Optimus hides most of its complex mechanical systems beneath a smooth exterior, reducing visible components while simplifying maintenance and improving durability. Although visually elegant, such simplicity also raises questions about inspection and long-term trust when a powerful humanoid robot eventually operates inside homes. The true breakthrough, however, lies inside the robot's brain. Earlier systems built around Tesla's AI-4 processor demonstrated strong perception and reasoning capabilities but occasionally paused while processing complex situations. Those brief moments of hesitation noticeable during some robot demonstrations are exactly what Tesla hopes to eliminate with the introduction of AI-5. Rather than simply increasing computing power, AI-5 is designed to improve reaction speed. The chip reportedly addresses the classic von Neumann bottleneck, where processing speed is limited by how quickly information moves between memory and the processor. Rumors suggest AI-5 could provide roughly 5 times the memory bandwidth of AI-4, allowing Optimus to load and execute much larger AI models almost instantly. Instead of stopping to think before responding, the robot is expected to react more like a human reflex, immediately adjusting to changing conditions while continuing its task without interruption. That capability is central to Elon Musk's long-term vision. He has repeatedly stated that Optimus is intended to perform tasks ranging from factory work to elderly care and childcare. In theory, a robot that never becomes tired, never misses medication schedules, and can immediately detect emergencies could help address one of the world's fastest-growing labor shortages. As populations age across many countries, the demand for caregivers continues to rise while the available workforce struggles to keep pace. However, deploying robots into homes also introduces entirely new safety concerns. Unlike a smartphone or even a self-driving vehicle, a 70-kilogram humanoid robot interacts directly with people. Any software malfunction, hardware failure, or cybersecurity breach could produce immediate physical consequences. If millions of robots eventually operate using the same software architecture, a single vulnerability could potentially affect every connected system. For that reason, safety, reliability, and cybersecurity may ultimately become just as important as artificial intelligence itself.